light sand, get rid of just the ridges. Take a close-up look at that. See that shadow. Nice and smooth. See that? It looks good. Do the edges first. Now, I don't know how much you remember about this wall, but when we started, you saw the tape, and it was quality 2. Drywall was put up, tape was embedded into the mud, and then they painted over it. So we've given him a higher quality here. Technically, we could probably go over this with one more coat if we wanted it to be superb, but he only wanted this returned to how it was. We did this as an added bonus. You always want to do the edges first, across the whole top and across the whole bottom. That feathers it in. And lightly take the grooves out. Ready for paint. Same thing here. Get the corner. Get the edges. Take the grooves out. Feel for imperfections. There it is. No imperfections. That's how it looked before. That was quality 2. This is quality 4. Okay, so battery died. I had to go get another one, and I didn't have any with me. So when I went to the store, I stopped by the shop and picked up another one. Had them all on the charger. This is the completed project. This is what it looks like. Trim. This here paint is still drying. It's blending in nicely, but it's taking its sweet time drying. Right now it looks like 2 different shades, but if you look at the bottom, I don't know if the camera will show it or not, but it's blending in nicely. It's just very cool down here. I showed you in here before. This is the new piece we put in at the bottom. It's all sanded to perfection. He could paint this if he wants to. We're not painting that. Upstairs is done as well, so we're going to clean up and get the invoice written out and get him to sign off on it. I'll show you what we did over here on the stairwell. Patch a spot here and here. All right, so that's it.